Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can archive files on Notion. So just right click and then move to trash. And then you're going to go to trash and you can basically either delete it. Wait, I think I need to, just not even typing. Add in a new task here. So right click, move to trash, and then go to trash. And then here you can restore it or delete it to archive it. Obviously you're going to select restore or you're going to delete it permanently. I'm just going to restore it. If you want, you can just like add archive here and then add that there. Move to and then select archive, and then it's going to move it there instead if you don't want to put it in the trash. And that's how you can archive files on Notion. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.